It's an exchange of energies. It's an exchange of love. We'll catch you guys on the other side. It's your boy Ricky Rick. If you never hear from me again, I love you. God bless you. Good night.
I always said my first album will be my last album because I didn't expect to make it past 25. I didn't expect to make it past 26. For me, I wanted to go out young like Tupac. I wanted to die young like Tupac. I wanted to die like a Kurt Cobain. Suicidal thoughts is not anything new to me. It might seem like, you know, now it's time for every rapper and every artist to talk about having anxiety and being suicidal. I can testament to people that I know what suicidal thoughts are. I know what trying to go through with suicidal thoughts is. I know how to even take it further. I know how to take it further. I've been there. I've been to that dark place. You know, we've swallowed the pills. We've done that. I felt okay that, oh fuck, I'm gonna die at 25. I might kill myself with this, you know, with this lifestyle. I might just kill myself with the lifestyle. And then you wake up and you're like, fuck. Yo, you can say YOLO all day, but yo, you actually never die. Then you're like, you're 23, I'm not dead yet. Okay, 24, fuck, I'm not dying, I'm not going. 25, I
might get into the 30s.
I might get into the 30s doing this shit.
Follow them around and we all just like going with our own paces. Which is dope.
What's the nicest thing done for you? In that moment you realize, this guy's a brother. I know he's done a lot, but like that the one.
Ricky is like, Ricky's such a hectic. Let me tell you that. It's like he goes extreme both sides. Like if he's gonna go and do a bad thing, he's gonna go do the worst thing, you know. But if he's gonna do a good thing, he's gonna go and do, you know, the best thing you could ever do. Like, I don't know if you guys seen a video of Ricky giving away his Gucci's at a petrol station.
I've got 2 pairs of Gucci's from Ricky.
That's who he is, right? But like when he goes this direction, and that means he doesn't have that filter like us.
It's just extreme.
So Ricky heard about me having beef with this other rapper, right?
Yeah.
And this guy was tweeting shit about me.
Yeah.
And then Ricky beats him at a listening session. And he's like, yo man, why you talking shit about Cass? Before that guy responded, Ricky, I said, wow!
Are you serious, dog?
I'm telling you. And when I heard, you heard the story? So I'm not talking shit. So when I heard this stuff,
those guys down for me.
I can't even slap niggas for myself. I can't even slap niggas for my goddamn self.
But at least you did it because of the $1 million bag. So
and then I couldn't do it because of and I guess and that could have been the reason. I remember him saying something like that. It's like, I know that you can't go and do this thing, but I can.
Yeah.
You know, and he slapped this guy and the story never came out. It just stayed between us. You know, I searched on Twitter. No one knows about this shit. And that's one of the dope things Ricky ever done for me. He's a fucking dope guy.
Yeah, man, crazy. Shout out to Molis, dog. And then
Ricky Molis is too much.
I remember when you dropped Mama Made It, right? You shot the video back in your mom's house.
Yeah, your mom's crib.
Nos